Study the following table in which position of 6 elements A, B, C, D, E and F are shown as they are in modern periodic table. Now, on the basis of this table, answer this question. The first question is name the element which forms only covalent bond. Now, according to this table, the group 13 elements are those which can form covalent bond, and here group 13 period 3 is aluminium, which is the only element which can form only covalent bond. Second question is name the element which is a metal with valency 3. The metal with valency 3 would be from group 1 period second, which will be lithium, that can form but that has a valency 3. Now the element which has a non-metal and has valency 3 would be nitrogen. And fourth one is out of D and E, which is bigger in size, and why? D and E. D will be bigger in size as it has valency 3, and aluminium will be that one. Now the last one is write the common name for the family in which C and F belongs to. C and F belongs to group 18, which is of noble gases. So the answer to these questions will be this.